FITEL Ninja setup for use with Sumitomo SoC connectors. For 900 micron connectors, holders needed. Left side S712-900L, right side S712-SoC-SF. Heater program. Use S922 40mm. Splice program. Use SM1 for single mode or MM1 for multi-mode, depending on which connectors you are using. For 2 or 3mm connectors, holders needed. Left side S712-SoC-ASC, right side S712-SoC-SF. Heater program. Use S922 40mm. Splice program. Use SM1 for single mode or MM1 for multi-mode, depending on which connectors you are using. Please refer to SoC manufacturer's assembly instructions to complete the connector.